Hi, I'm Lizzie and welcome to Elios Design Studio. I run this with my partner Joe. Today we're going to be showing you how to create your own travel blog website using free templates and the free Elementor version, not the Pro version. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell to ensure you are in the know and up to date with all future videos.
Before we start, click on the link in the description to make sure you get the free templates. Once you've downloaded them, just remember to make sure that you use YouTube 100 to get 100% off. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is head to your WordPress dashboard. So before we start the install, we need to change a couple of settings. So if you head over to settings on the left hand side, this is where you can change the site title. I'm just going to change this to travel blog. And you can change the tagline, so I'm just going to put travel blog template. Okay, so this bit's really important. You need to make sure that you put an S after HTTPS on both the WordPress address and the site address. This will provide the security for your website, providing you have an SSL certificate. If you don't have an SSL certificate, take a look at the top right hand corner, which will take you through to one of our videos which will show you how to get an SSL certificate, as long as you have a hosting account with SiteGround. If you want anyone to register on your website, click the tick box next to membership. Once done, click Save Changes at the bottom of the screen. This will take you out of WordPress, but if you just log back in, it will take you back through to the settings page. Next, we are going to change the theme of the website. To do that, go over to the left-hand side, click on Appearance, and then click on Themes. And then go to the top of the screen and click on Add New. We are going to search for a theme called Hello Elementor, so just click in the search theme box and type in Hello. It will automatically appear, so it will be the middle one that you want, which says Hello Elementor. Click on Install. And once it's installed, click on Activate. And now we're ready to install our templates. To do that, you just need to install one plugin. This will install all of the templates and also install all of the additional plugins. To do this, go over to plugins on the left hand side, hover over, and then go over to Add New. In the search box, we're going to type in Template Kit. So it's the first one we want, which says Template Kit Import. Click on Install Now. Once installed, click on Activate. If we head over to Tools, hover over Tools on the left hand side, and then select Template Kit. Click anywhere in this box, and you need to find the file that you downloaded called Template Kit. Once you have selected the file, this page will display. You will get a number of install requirements, so click on Install Requirements. You will then have a list of plugins that you will need. Make sure they are all ticked on the left hand side and select Install. It will go down the list and install each one. Once done, press Close. So the first one we're going to install is the Global Kit Styles. This is the overall formatting of the website. Now just click on Import Template. And now just go through the list and import each one. Just make sure that you do them one at a time. Once done, we are now ready to create our website pages. So head over to Pages on the left hand side, hover over it and click Add New. You will get a pop-up box, just close that and title this Home, as this is going to be our home page. And then click on Edit with Elementor. So this will bring up this page. Now we already have a home page template, we just need to find it. To do this, just click on this icon and then go over to My Templates. Find the home template. Over to the right hand side, it will say Insert. Click on Insert and yes. This should upload the home page, which will look very much like the demo. However, the menu will not be displayed as we have not created the menu yet. And if we scroll down, you can see that no blogs have been created yet. We will do this a little bit later on. You will see a sample blog displaying, however we will be deleting this and creating your own later on. You will need to customize this page to how you want it to look. You will need to replace the images as these images are not licensed. So I will guide you through customizing this whole page. So to change this main image, go to the top and click on the 6 dots. Then on the left hand side, you'll see an icon that says Style. To change the image, simply click here and upload a new image. As you scroll down the page, click into each section to customize as you want it, changing out all of the images. And it's the same for any text, just click into the text box. And under the Content tab, you'll be able to change any content. So just make sure you customize to your liking. And then once done, click Publish at the bottom. To return to the dashboard, click on the 3 lines at the top left-hand corner. And then exit to Dashboard. And then press the WordPress logo. And now we're going to do the same for the additional pages. So go to Add New, title this one Contact, and then edit with Elementor. Go to this icon again, go to My Templates, and then find the contact template and click on Insert. And then Yes. And then customize it to your liking, as we did on the home page. Once done, click Publish. And then click on the 3 lines on the top left, and then exit to Dashboard, and then the WordPress logo. So we have one final template to install, which is the category template. But before we do that, we're going to create some posts and assign categories to those posts. So to do that, go over to the left-hand side, click on Posts. We are going to delete this sample post. So just hover over it and select Trash. Now we are going to create our first post by clicking on Add New. So if you choose a title of your post and add it here, for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to call this My Trip to Paris. Now click on Edit with Elementor. Now because we're using the Elementor free version, we're going to be creating our blogs on Elementor. If we were using the pro version, we would be creating them on the previous page. So next we're going to be importing the single post template. To do this, select this icon again, go to My Templates, go to Single Blog Post and select Insert, and then Yes. This template will load up. Simply change your title by clicking into it. You will also need to change the image, so select the image and then you'll be able to upload a new image on the left hand side. If you scroll down, this is where you will be able to change this text to your own. Simply click into it and then change it on the left hand side. Once done, scroll down to the bottom of the page where it says Related Posts, and then click on the 9 dots here and then type in posts in the search bar. So find the widget that says Post Grid, click and drag under Related Posts. This is where other blogs will display once we have them uploaded to our website. On the left hand side, you'll be able to choose how many posts are displayed. Currently it's set to 3, and here you'll be able to select how many columns. We're just going to change this to 3 columns. These will display once we've created our posts. Once done, press Publish. And then go to the 3 lines, exit to Dashboard and the WordPress logo. If you hover over your first post, click on Edit. This is where we assign it to a category. On the right hand side, make sure it's selecting Post, not Block, and then go down to Categories. And now we're going to add a new category. And we're going to name this France, and then select Add New Category. This is where you'll be able to add all of your categories that you want on your website. So I'm also going to add a category called Featured, and then Add New Category. I'm also going to have another one called Australia. Click on Add New Category. I'm also going to have one called Food, and then Add New Category, and that will do for the demonstration. And now we're going to assign our featured image. So if you scroll down and click on Featured Image, this is where you can upload an image of your choice. I'm just going to choose this one. Once done, click on Update, and now press the WordPress icon. So to speed up the process, we just need to copy the first post. To do this, just hover over and clone this. Then hover over the duplicated version and select Quick Edit. This is where you can change the title. I'm just going to call it Top 5 Paris Restaurants for the demonstration, and then go to Update on the right hand side. And then we need to choose which category it's in, so untick the categories you don't want this in. So I'm just going to keep it in Featured, Food and France. Once done, select Update on the right hand side, and then hover over the same post and click on Edit. Here we're going to change the image, so make sure it's in Post, scroll down to Featured Image, and then click on Replace Image. Select the image of your choice, and then select Publish, and then Publish again. Now click on Edit with Elementor. Okay, and as before, we need to change the title, the image, and the main text, as we did before. Once you have done that, select Update at the bottom, and then the 3 lines at the top, and exit to Dashboard, and then the WordPress icon. So just repeat this process for each blog you want adding to your website. And just remember to hover over and clone this. And now we're going to add our category page. We are going to be assigning these to the top menu on each page, so the users can display what categories they want. So to do this, go to Pages on the left hand side and select Add New. So this is going to be titled as the France category, as I want to be displaying posts only relating to France. You of course will be choosing your own category. Once titled, select Edit with Elementor. Go to the folder icon and then select My Template, and we want the category page template. Click Insert and Yes. So now we're going to be changing the title to France Articles, and now we're going to be clicking the 9 dots at the top. In the search bar we're going to be typing in Post, and then we're going to be choosing Post Grid, and then we're going to click and drag under the title. Click anywhere on the images. On the left hand side under Content, we can then choose which categories we want. So I'm going to delete every category apart from France. If no category is displaying, just type it into the search bar. Whilst we're on this page, we are going to be assigning the menu. So just click on this grey box under the main image. Once done, click on Publish, and then select the 3 lines and exit to Dashboard, and then the WordPress logo. So to simply create new category pages, hover over the one that you have just created and select Clone This. In the duplicated version, select Quick Edit, and then just change the title to your next category, which we are going to call Australia, which will display Australian posts. Once done, select Update. Once done, select Edit on the new category page, and then Edit with Elementor. And now repeat the process, starting by changing the title, and click anywhere on the images, and delete the current category, and add your new category. If a post displays down here which is in the wrong category, we can change this by going back to the post page and assigning to the correct category. But from now on, all posts assigned to the Australian category will appear here. So select Publish, and the 3 lines at the top, exit Dashboard, and then the WordPress logo. So to create new category pages, just repeat this process by hovering over your first post and selecting Clone This. So to correct the categories, we'll head over to Post on the left hand side, and as you can see, My Trip to Paris has all the categories in. So just hover over it, select Quick Edit, and then deselect the categories you don't want. So I'm going to keep it in the Featured and France, and then press Update. So here you can double check and make sure that your posts are assigned to the correct categories. Okay, so now we're going to quickly create the menu. To do this, go over to Appearance on the left-hand side and select Menus. This page will display what we can put on our menu. I'm going to delete the custom link home page and also the sample page. I'm going to click on Home and drag to the top, and I'm going to move Contact below our categories. On the left hand side you can add new pages. Just click on View All and you can see all of the pages that you have created. Once done, click Create Menu. Make sure that Primary is selected under Menu Settings next to Display Location, and then Save Menu. Okay, so now we need to go into each page and assign this menu to the top of each page. So go over to the left hand side and click on Pages. Okay, so we'll start with the top page and work our way down. Hover over it and select Edit with Elementor. Now, as you can see, my menu is already appearing, but if yours isn't, just click on it. Go over to the left hand side and just make sure that your menu is in the Select menu. Now check this for each page and your menu should be displayed across your website. Now there's just one more step that we need to do. Now just go back to your dashboard by clicking on the three lines, exit to dashboard, press the WordPress icon. Now we're just going to tell WordPress what our home page is going to be. To do this, hover over Appearance and then select Customize. This page will display because WordPress thinks this is our home page. To amend this, go to the home page settings on the left hand side, choose a static page, and then under home page, select Home. Once done, select Publish, and then select the X at the top left. Now we can view our site by going to the top. Ours says Travel Blog, but yours will display your site title. Just click on it, and now you'll be able to see your live site. Now you would have customized this, so your own images should be displaying with the relevant links, and also your latest blogs should be displaying right here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been really helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment down below. Please like and subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell to ensure you don't miss any future videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.